Hello collectors, welcome to an episode of Y Team Hotwheels, a complete diecast info, review, showcase, unboxing, etc. Subscribe and stay tuned for daily infos. In today's episode, let's check a new releases from Hot Wheels and a brand new casting from Tarmac Works. So let's check it out. A new super treasure hunt coming later this year. Subaru Impreza 22B STI, a great car for JDM collectors. This time in white body, 10-spoke gold rims, side body decals and big spoiler on rear with only headlights, no tail lights. Another car for mainline, a 1968 Mercury Cougar in a blue body, black hood scope, chrome bumpers, black rims with slight accent of chrome and side decals. A new Volkswagen set found in stores. A yellow Volkswagen T2 pickup, Volkswagen Caddy, Volkswagen Subaru GT24, Volkswagen SP2, a Volkswagen Golf MK2, custom Volkswagen Beetle, custom 1969 Volkswagen Squareback and 1949 Volkswagen Beetle pickup. Introducing the first version of Global 64, Dodge Viper ACR Extreme. Color of a car, wine blue, commemorative edition, material made in diecast. Release date November 2022. Dodge Van, a new Global 64 tooling. Pre-order will start from next week. Color of a van, light green. Material made in diecast. Release date of a van is November 2022. Tarmac Works X iXO models Hobby 64 presents Ferrari 458 Italia GT3 2013 #52. Color of a car, 24 hours of Spa 2013. Material made in diecast. Release date November 2022. Shell X Gran Turismo 7 X Tarmac Works Retro JDM Festival Phase 1. A Toyota Supra RZ97, one of the king of JDM. Pre-order this Supra RZ at HK TV Mall now or at any Shell station in HK. I am your host Yash, signing out. See you in next video. Subscribe for daily updates and smash the bell icon so you can stay up to date.